So hey, let me tell you, I finally took down my twists, unraveled after 8 whole days. Yes, 8 days I had them in. And this is what my hair looks like. I have a bunch of definition, but as you guys can see, I have a little bit of frizz, and that's okay. I took down the braids on the sides and I created this little pin down look. So I technically still have the same hairstyle, but I changed it up just a tiny bit. If you want to see how I created this look and how I unraveled my twist, make sure to keep watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so that you are notified the next time I upload a video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram just to see what I am doing during the week, because I upload a video on here once or twice a week. So that's about it. Stay tuned. Keep watching.